विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी विश्वनाथ तंबाके सर. आज आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये इयत्ता 10वी मधील इंग्रजी पुस्तकातील युनिट 2.5 बुक रिव्ह्यू स्वामी अँड फ्रेंड्स बाय आर के नारायण आर के नारायण यांच्या पुस्तकाचा आढावा आपण या पाठात पाहणार आहोत आणि त्यांची प्रश्नोत्तरे देखील पाहणार आहोत. Warming up chit chat. Question 1. Form groups of 3 to 4 and share the following with your groups with the help of the points given below. 3 ते 4 विद्यार्थ्यांचे गट करा व पुढील मुद्द्यांच्या सहाय्याने आपसात चर्चा करा. Your favorite book. My favorite book is Wings of Fire. Type of book. It is autobiography. Author or writer. Answer. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Arun Tiwari. Background. Time and place. Answer. Kalam expressed his childhood days and efforts to take educations. Various places such as Rameshwaram, Chennai, etc. are mentioned in this book. Main character Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Problem dilemma. Answer. It is an autobiography. Life sketch of Kalam is depicted in this book. Any special message? Answer. We should always be optimistic in order to achieve success. 2. You have recently read a short story, novel, drama, science fiction, ghost story. Write in short 3 of its strong points that made you like the book and 2 or 3 drawbacks it has. Fill them up in the tree diagram given. तुम्ही नुकतीच एक लघुकथा, कादंबरी, नाटक, विज्ञानकथा किंवा भूतकथा वाचली असेल. तुम्हाला ते पुस्तक आवडण्यास कारणीभूत असणारे 3 लक्षणीय मुद्दे व त्यात आढळणाऱ्या 2-3 उणीवांबद्दल थोडक्यात लिहा व ते लक्षणीय मुद्दे व उणीवा वृक्षाकृतीत भरा. आन्सर. गलिव्हर्स ट्रॅव्हल बाय जोनाथन स्विफ्ट. स्ट्रेंथ आणि वीकनेस हे 2 भाग खाली दिलेले आहेत. स्ट्रेंथ पाहूयात. 1. Absolutely interesting story. 2. Easy to read. आणि 3. Source of wit and wisdom. आता त्याची weakness बघूयात. 1. Too much exaggerated description. 2. Had little literary values. 3. Only for fun and entertainment. यापुढील प्रश्न determiners. Determiners are words that modify a noun or noun phrase and occur before them in a sentence. Determiners provide a context to the noun they precede. नाउन किंवा नाउन फ्रेज पूर्वी वापरले जाणारे व त्या नामाचा किंवा नामशब्द समूहांचा अर्थ मर्यादित करणाऱ्या शब्दांना डिटर्मिनर्स म्हणजेच व्याप्तीवाचक शब्द म्हणतात. An error, the fact, that incident, these matters, her brother, some, many fruits, two boys, थर्ड प्लेस इत्यादी. वरील सर्व वाक्यांमध्ये ॲन, द, दॅट, दीज, हर, सम, मेनी, टू आणि थर्ड हे सर्व शब्द डिटर्मिनर्स म्हणून वापरण्यात आले आहेत. या भागात डिटर्मिनर्सची उदाहरणे आहेत ती पाहूयात. 1. आर्टिकल्स उपपदे ए, ॲन, द हे आर्टिकल्स. 2. डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव्ह म्हणजेच निर्देशक शब्द. यामध्ये दिस, दॅट, दीज, दोज हे निर्देशक शब्द आहेत. 3. पोझेसिव्स स्वामित्वदर्शक सर्वनामे. यामध्ये माय, युवर, आवर, हिज, हर, देअर, युवर्स, माइन आणि हर्स. 4. क्वांटिफायर्स म्हणजेच परिमाणदर्शक शब्द. फ्यू, सम, मेनी, मच, मोअर, ईच आणि एव्हरी. तसेच 5. कॉर्डिनल आणि ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स म्हणजेच संख्या दर्शविणारी अंक आणि क्रमवाचक संख्या. यामध्ये 1, 100, 4th, 100th, 1st, 2nd इत्यादी सर्व सर्वनामे होत. क्वेश्चन 4. अंडरलाईन ओनली डिटर्मिनर्स इन द फॉलोइंग. पुढील वाक्यातून फक्त व्याप्तीवाचक शब्द अधोरेखांकित करा. 1. माय ब्रदर बॉट अ फ्यू मॅगझिन्स. यामध्ये माय आणि अ फ्यू हे डिटर्मिनर्स आहेत. 2. व्हॉट इज युअर फ्रेंड्स नेम. यामध्ये युअर हा शब्द डिटर्मिनर आहे. 3. विच रायटर वॉज ऑल्सो द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अवर कंट्री. या वाक्यात द आणि अवर हे 2 डिटर्मिनर्स आहेत. 4. दीज आर सम टॉयज. यामध्ये दीज हा शब्द डिटर्मिनर म्हणून वापरला गेला आहे. 5. दीज टॉयज आर न्यू. या वाक्यात दीज हा शब्द डिटर्मिनर आहे. तसेच 6व्या वाक्यात दॅट, ॲन आणि मेनी हे डिटर्मिनर्स वापरले आहेत. यानंतर मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. What is the most striking quality of 10-year-old Swami? Answer. The most striking quality of 10-year-old Swami was that he learned the truth the harsh way. 2. What does the review say about R.K. Narayan's style and language? Answer. The book is written in simple English. The English used in the book is without any troubling words for the kids. The use of simple and short sentences adds to the simplicity of the book. Next, what are the two advantages of reading this book? Answer. The two advantages of reading this book are: the book is a good read for children of all ages, and 2. The children might improve their English reading skill. Next, English workshop. Question 1. Refer to the story The Boy Who Broke the Bank, lesson number 2.2 by Ruskin Bond. Read it carefully and write a review of the same, keeping the following points in mind. 1. Name of the story and writer or author. Answer. The name of the story is The Boy Who Broke the Bank. It is written by an Indian author, Ruskin Bond. B. Type of story. Answer. The story is based upon a rumor. A sweeper boy just complains that he does not get his salary. That complaint becomes a rumor and spreads like a fire in the forest. C. Background and setting. Time and place. Answer. The incident happened in the village Peoplenagar in a daytime. D. Main characters. Answer. Main characters in this story are Nathu, a sweeper boy; Sitaram, washerman's son; the manager, Mrs. Srivastav, and Mrs. Bhushan, etc. E. Problem faced. Answer. The side effects of the rumor are mentioned in this story. F. Language used. Answer. The language in this story is very simple and easy to understand. G. What you liked about the story? Answer. I like the systematic arrangements of incidents in the story. They sustain the suspense about what will happen further. H. What you did not like about it? Answer. I did not like the scene of throwing stones and brick on the glass windows of the bank. I. Your general opinion of the story? Answer. The story is nice and amusing. Typical tendency of Indian people is mentioned in this lesson. Question 2. Look inside your thinking hat. Read the evidence or sentences given and offer a possible explanation of what happened in this house. Make up some questions to gather more information. Now collect all your evidences and write a short story. Give a suitable title. तुमच्या हुशारीचा, डोक्याचा चांगला उपयोग करा. दिलेले पुरावे, वाक्ये वाचा आणि घरामध्ये काय घडले असावे याचे खुलासेवर स्पष्टीकरण करा. अधिक माहिती मिळवण्याकरता स्वतःला प्रश्न विचारा आणि नंतर सर्व पुरावे जमवून एक गोष्ट तयार करा. गोष्टीला योग्य तो शीर्षक लिहा. Answer. The mischievous kid. There are 4 children in the family. Once their parents were out of the town to attend a marriage of the neighbors. The children were very naughty. Then parents had already told them not to make noise or spoil anything. No sooner did the parents leave the house than they started to make noise. They played games like hide and seek, lagori, and balloon ball, etc. While playing, the things were scattered everywhere in the room. After some time, they felt hunger. They wanted something to eat. Their mother had already prepared the food. They had a lunch. Again, they started to play and make noise. One of them told others that their mother had made laddu and snacks, but he did not know where the sweets and the snacks kept. They all decided to search the sweets, which were kept in jars and tins. They entered into the kitchen. They tried to search the tin of sweets. At last, they found that one of the jars was on the top of the shelf. They stood on the chair and took the jar. They became highly happy to see the sweets. As soon as they opened the jar, they devoured all the sweets quickly. The snacks were also eaten by them. In that mess, they spoiled many things. The things in the kitchen were scattered on the floor. They made a mess. In the evening, when their parents came, they were shocked to see the condition of the kitchen. The jars, pot, and the tins were scattered everywhere. The grains and the atta were spoiled. The mother became very angry. She called her children and told them not to make a mess. The mother was very kind. She also forgave her children. Question 3. Identify the new words and phrases which seem to be important. In the review, try to guess their meaning from the context. You can use a dictionary to confirm. Fill up the table. या पुस्तक परीक्षणातील महत्त्वाचे वाटणारे नवीन शब्द व शब्दसमूह ओळखा. त्यांच्या अर्थसंदर्भाने लक्षात घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. चांगल्या शब्दकोशातून त्यांच्या अर्थाची खात्री करून घ्या आणि नंतर पुढील तक्ता पूर्ण करा. Note: Students should do this project on their own and present it in the class. विद्यार्थ्यांनी हा प्रोजेक्ट स्वतः तयार करून वर्गात सादरीकरण करायचं आहे. यानंतर क्वेश्चन 4a. फाइंड फ्रॉम द लेसन द नाउन फॉर्म ऑफ. दिलेल्या शब्दाचे नाउन फॉर्म शोधायचा आहे. ए. हॅपन, हॅपनिंग. ट्रूथ, ट्रूथ. सिम्पल, सिम्प्लिसिटी. आणि कन्क्ल्यूड या शब्दाचं कन्क्ल्युजन असं नाउन फॉर्म होतं. बी. फाइंड वर्ब फॉर्म्स. दिलेल्या शब्दाचे क्रियापदाचे रूप शोधायचे आहेत. हेट्रेड, हेट. थॉट, थिंक. मिनिंग, मीन. इम्प्रूव्हमेंट, इम्प्रूव्ह. डिस्क्रिप्शन, डिस्क्राईब. आणि इमॅजिनेशन या शब्दाचं इमॅजिन असा वर्ब फॉर्म होतो. सी. फाइंड ॲडजेक्टिव्ह फॉर्म्स ऑफ. 1. टॉक, टॉकेटिव्ह. इंटरेस्ट, इंटरेस्टिंग. प्युअरिटी, प्युअर. टेक्निक, टेक्निकल. लिटरेचर, लिटररी. आणि मिस्चिफ, मिस्चिवस असे विशेषणे होतात. नेक्स्ट, प्रोजेक्ट. Write a complete review on any book that you have read recently. Use the points given on the course book page number 73. Answer: Book Gulliver's Travel. Recently I read the book Gulliver's Travel by Jonathan Swift. It describes the strange and unique adventures, escapes and experiences of Captain Lemuel Gulliver. I found it very interesting book. But out of 4 parts of the book, first two, his voyage to Lilliput and the voyage to Brobdingnag, were very amusing, funny, and imaginative. But the other 2 parts are not that pleasant. In Lilliput, people were 6 inch tall and they treated Gullivers as a man mountain. In Brobdingnag, people were 60 feet high and Gulliver was just a pygmy before them. Many fearful as well as funny incidents hold us spellbound. Though it has no big literary values or it does not preach you any moral values, it is a must read book for amusement. The book is written in a simple, lucid, and humorous style, and it is easy to read for entertainment.